Look, come here. I want you to see. Try that. Buddy, look. Here, stand up. Here.
Is that even possible?
Here, here's your club. Here. Hold on.
No way.
Oh, stand up.
How many innings?
Good job. Here.
But how many innings do they
Stay
play?
there. Stay there. Look.
Like,
Yeah.
my gosh.
Good job. Do again.
that is
Do it again.
crazy. But that's fun.
Hold on. Here.
Where are you going?
I'm so excited.
Ooh, easy.
I have my first game tomorrow.
Careful.
Oh, you do? Already?
Yeah, I'll start tomorrow. In half ended, volleyball's already
Stand up.
back.
Wow.
Two hands.
Tomorrow against North Salem at home. We play Thursday at Brewster.
Two hands.
We have a tournament on starting over the weekend.
Now,
Yeah.
do you have a lot of the same
Yeah.
players on your team?
A lot of them. We've got a couple of like 5 new ones.
That's it? Now this league is like really competitive, right?
Yeah. But listen, starts the first game tomorrow.
Oh, you are?
He's
So-
our number one pitcher.
I'm not surprised.
You dancing?
Oh, Bryce is dancing on his dinosaur. We can't wait to